Hello everyone, so today we're going to be doing our second lesson on clay. Before we start, we're just going to have a quick look at our Walt and our Wilf charts, and then I'm going to walk you through what I've uploaded on our Google site for you guys. So first off, we have our Walt chart. So we are learning to use key terms involved in the clay process, such as coil, carving, texture, and other keywords we touched on in our first clay lesson. So if you haven't had a chance to go look at the first clay lesson, it might be a good time to go look at it now. We're going to use these words to discuss clay works. So discuss form and texture in a selection of artists' works as well. So I've uploaded some pictures on the Google site for you guys to have a look at. And then lastly, we're going to look at and discuss functional and decorative pieces of pottery. Okay, so now we're going to have a quick look at our Wilf chart. So what I'm looking for, so I'm really looking for you guys to recall and use the key terms that we learned in our previous clay lesson. I'm looking for you guys to be able to appreciate different aspects of artwork and develop an opinion on it. You'll be doing that by leaving responses to different artworks on Padlet. And lastly, I'm looking for you guys to understand how different clay techniques can cause different effects in an artwork. Now, so here's just a quick look at the Google site and what I've uploaded for you guys. So today you're going to be looking at two different artists, and I've uploaded a selection of pictures of their works for you guys to have a look at. So I really want you guys to focus on stuff like texture, colour, the different techniques you think the artist might have used, and just really whether you like the art piece or not. So there's our two different artists. They're quite different. And I've left Padlets for you guys to leave responses on. So if you could just leave a response, maybe you can connect it to the picture that you're talking about, and if you could sign off with your name, that would be great. Best of luck today, guys. I really hope you enjoy the lesson, and I'm hoping to see you guys soon.